Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with part 4 of my Temu haul. Now, Temu is a shopping website, and they reached out to me and asked me if I would review some products for them. So they allowed me to choose free of charge up to a certain dollar amount, and I am here to share those things with you and see if they're worth it. So let's see what I got. Now, the first thing, this is if you know me, you'll be surprised because this is what I look like all the time. But I thought it would be fun to see what some of their wigs look like and some of the things that you need for the wigs. So I have a silicone wig band. They do come in a variety of colors to match your skin tone. So let's go ahead and see what this is. I got this for $1.49. And here it is. It's not adjustable or anything. You just slip it on. I'll slip it on in a little bit when I try the wigs. But that's what that looks like. It's got little nubbies on it to keep the wig in place. I hope that's not hot. Now, the next thing I got for $4.49 is a wig stand. So, comes in 2 pieces. And then I imagine we just line all the tabs up. There we go. So there is a wig stand. So now I need something to put on the wig stand. I got a wig. Now this one is the gradient gray. It's either 20 inches or 24 inches. And I got it for $13.49. I mean, this wig on Amazon is $25. Just to give you an idea. Same wig. So let's check it out. This is a synthetic wig. And it comes like this. It has a net around it. So I'm just going to put my hand in there and then just take this off. Ooh! Now it says gray, but actually it's like an ash blonde. I'm sure you can tell. And it actually matches my hair. And the inside is an open cap. It doesn't have clips, but it does have adjustment straps on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. First, let's put on this thing. Now, I am not a person that wears wigs all the time, so actually I do want that hanging out. But this I don't. And then I'm going to just slip it behind my ear. And I'm doing this as I'm looking in the camera, so I'm looking on my screen while I do this. Okay, so that's good. And then we're gonna, so it is synthetic, and that is what the part looks like. And we have very long bangs that go to each side. So here we go. I can't see a thing. Just kind of fitting it around. Okay. Now, if these bangs don't stay where they're supposed to, that'll drive me crazy. But you might have to spray them in place. And you put the wig right at your hairline. Feels very soft. Wow, look at that. But that's kind of bugging me that I can't really see. Let me just put this over here. Oops, wait. I'm just going to slide this behind my ear. I'm just trying to see. I can't really tuck it, but you get the idea. And I definitely would have to spray these off to the side. And I'm going to work on the part. I'm going to do some plucking around the hairline so it looks a little bit more natural there. All right, on to the next one. Now, I think the next one is very similar. This one is either a 20-inch, this is the 20-inch, so it's a little bit shorter than that one. And this one is in blonde. And you can definitely tell it's a brighter color. And we do have bangs on this one as well. And it's the same kind of cap and adjustments. So it looks like that the style is very similar to the other one. Let's make sure I'm at my hairline. It's weird, all these little pieces just kind of float around. But here is me as a blonde. Let me just fluff it out a little bit and then I'll turn around so you can see it. Ooh. But yeah, I would have to do something with these bangs because I'm not used to having hair like that, so very different. So let's do a spin. That's what that one looks like. And this is what I look like as a blonde. Tell me what you think. What do I look like in these? Do I look okay? Do I not look okay? Let me know. But that's a nice little style, a very easy style. The bangs I've got to work on, I can either curl them or I could even... No, I don't want to look like that. I'll do something with them. But, I mean, it's the same kind of wig that you get on Amazon for about $25. And you can have a lot of fun with them. You can be anybody you want to be that day. It is the next day, as you can tell by my outfit change, but there was something additional in my mailbox. And that was another shipment. I didn't realize that this one was coming, and it has the rest of the items that Temu graciously sent me. So let's see what I have in here. The first thing I'm going to pull out is another fan. Now, I thought I ordered two, and, one I can keep in my handbag, the other one I can keep in the living room or wherever in the house. So this fan is a little bit different than the other one I got. This is the other one that I received, and it has a little stand so you can put it on a table or a desk or something. And this one has 3 speeds. It's pocket size. It's wonderful. Now, this one is a little bit different, as you can tell. This one is like the pet series. See, it has the little ears on top. It comes in white, green, blue, and pink. I believe I have a white one. I thought it was a blue one. Did I say this retails for $3.39? Now, it does come with a little stand, and here is the little fan. You can kind of look at the fan size is the same, but the shape of the object is not. This one's a little bit longer, but this one also has 3 speeds. You can see it blowing my hair. It feels wonderful. It also comes with a wrist strap. I did have to put this on myself. It was in a little bag. I was checking everything out yesterday. It comes with its own USB charge cord, and there's a little slot right here. Can you see that? So when you put this in, you just put that little thread right in there, and now you have a stand. Just prop it wherever you need it. I love these things. I get really warm all the time, so I had to have a few of these. Well, a couple anyway. The next thing is gel nail polish. These retailed for $1.69 each. And let's see. There are 2 different names. We've got Fluorescent Crushed Diamond Spa is what they're called. And I bought a pink one and a blue one. These are very small. These are only a 1/4 of an ounce. So there's the pink one. And here is the blue one. So let's take a look. I'm really getting into glittery polish lately. So here is that color. Very pretty pink. It's got very fine glitter in it. It's not as glittery as I was hoping, that's for sure. But for $1.69, come on. And then here is the blue one. Very goopy. And there is the blue one. It's very pretty. And that is for, these are gel polishes. So you need a UV light to cure these, and they last a really long time on your nails. I really like gel polish. Now, the last thing that came in this package yesterday is an eyebrow pencil, and this is in the color light brown. So let's go ahead, and I didn't do my eyebrows today so that we could use this. It is a roller tip pen is what they call it, and it's by, they've got a sticker on it, Cheetos. I know it's hard, you can't see it. And it has that multi-tip so that you can draw multiple strands on your brows. So we are going to do this. All right, we're going to try this. So I've got to take my glasses off. I'm going to brush my eyebrows upward. They don't usually stay like that, but they will stay long enough for me to do my brows. Okay. So my brows are up. Here we go. Oh, it seems to be kind of dark, for me anyway. This is strange. But you can, if you're missing hairs in an area, you can fill it in with this. I don't like that little line underneath my brow. It's always fun trying new products live. I know that there's a little bit of a learning curve here. Get closer so you can see. I mean, it's okay. I think it's a little dark for me. So let's see if I can soften it. I'm using a spoolie to kind of just go over it and try and soften the edges a little bit. That looks better. What do you think? Do you like it? I'm going to have to keep practicing with this thing. And then the last thing I'm going to use is my eyebrow gel. That helps keep your eyebrows where you want them to be. It doesn't make it any darker if you get the clear. And that will keep my eyebrows up instead of looking all down and drab. Okay. This one's definitely darker and very rough, but there are my eyebrows. So yeah, I'm going to keep practicing with it. And so those are the things that I got in the mail yesterday. I thought at first I wasn't receiving all of my items, but they came in multiple shipments. So it works out. I get so many. The thing about Temu is they will send you text after text after text. They send a lot of emails. So it was kind of hard to see where the package was, what package number it was. But it worked out in the end. I'm satisfied. And I can see myself shopping on Temu for a lot of things. It's funny. I've been like, I'll be outside and I'll think, oh, small chainsaw. Well, guess what? Temu has them. Other things, Temu has it. So it was really nice to see that they offer so many things.